we've got some auto glass windshield adhesive here. It's a polyurethane glue, for lack of a better term. Brand sent me this as a sample to try out, to do an honest review on. I don't need to replace a windshield right now, but what I will do is I'm going to test this thing out on some materials that this should have no problem bonding to. So I have got some plastic, an old glass container, and I've got some metal, and some more metal, some painted metal. So these should all be representative of stuff you would be bonding to with a windshield adhesive. The black is good because it makes a black seal when it's all done. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get to gluing stuff. Here's my workstation. The directions didn't really say what to do with this end, but I am assuming I need to pop this off. So let's do that. Yes. Okay, it's just like a normal caulk gun. What's that ball? I don't know why there's a ball right there. Directions did not mention a ball. You guys in the comments are probably going to roast me because I don't know what that ball does. But fits right into a caulk gun. And let's get gluing. I think first thing we're going to glue is, how about some metal to some glass? Like that. Or maybe metal to glass like this. Let's do that. So let's put a bead of caulk right. I gotta puncture it. I broke both. Let me just. Is that not doing anything? Maybe that ball is part of the process here. Oh no, it's starting to come out. Let's get you closer. All right, let's zoom in a little bit, give it some squeezes. You can see that it's starting to come out the tip. There we go. So we'll just make a bead right here on the edge of my glass. Nice and thick and black. And so we'll bond this piece of metal to this glass right here. It came with gloves. Should probably be using these. It's nice that it gives you gloves, and that's a good hint that you probably shouldn't touch this stuff. So let's wear the gloves. It says it takes 30 minutes to cure, so we'll glue these things and we'll check back in 30 minutes. But yeah, let's get these gloves on. We'll fast forward this so you guys don't have to watch me struggle to put gloves on. All right, now I can push this down. All right, and now let's see. How about I maybe do some plastic right there? See how that goes? All right, so let's do this piece of plastic. Okay, and how about one more piece of metal? We'll do this piece of metal over here. Or do we want to go metal to plastic? Yeah, let's do metal to plastic now. So we'll go like that. I don't know if metal to plastic is something you'll need to do, but just in case, let's do it. All right, so we've got metal to glass, plastic to glass, and metal to plastic. So we'll come back in half an hour and we will see what is still stuck together. It's been, I don't know, probably an hour. I lost track of what I was doing, but let's look at what I glued together. So first we've got metal to plastic. That's pretty solid. I wonder if you can rip it apart if you put some force on there, but it's also got a really good seal. If you've got gravity on your side, it's not coming apart. Now let's try plastic to glass. Oh, Comes off a little bit. And let's try metal to glass. Oh, it came off. So I will say that it's bonded. Like if you've got gravity on your side, it's not going anywhere. Like this isn't going to lift up. So the number one use case for this is a windshield sitting on top of a windshield mount. The glass pressing on the metal, it would actually be like the opposite of this. This upside down, glass pushing on metal. It wouldn't go anywhere because it makes a like big beefy thing of caulk here, or of sealant. And so when you push down on this, it spreads out and forms a watertight seal, which is what it's supposed to do. This isn't like super glue, it's like a seal. So the purpose of these material combinations is to show that when you put metal onto glass, it forms a seal, which it does. It spreads out the black stuff and it's not going anywhere, and you're not going to have water come in. So overall, this is a success. If you need windshield adhesive for your car, this is what it's made for, and it'll work just fine. So go get you some windshield adhesive.